In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error Code 10000 step by step. This is a common Wix dashboard error that can appear when they're trying to manage apps, load your site settings, or access certain features. The good news is that in most cases, this error is temporary and can be resolved with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through every fix, starting from the quickest solution to more advanced steps, so make sure you watch till the end. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should do when you see Wix Error Code 10000 is simply wait and retry. This error is often caused by a temporary server or connection issue on Wix's side. Give it a minute or two, then try loading the page or feature again. In many cases, the error resolves itself without you needing to do anything else. If waiting doesn't fix it, the next step is to refresh the page. A simple page refresh can reload stuck scripts or incomplete dashboard data. Use the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Once the page reloads, check if the error message is gone and see if you can access your Wix tools normally. If the error still shows up, the next important step is to check Wix's system status. Open a new tab and go to status.wix.com. Here, Wix shows real-time updates about outages, maintenance, and service disruptions. Look specifically for issues related to the Wix dashboard, site editor, or apps. If there's an ongoing outage, the best thing to do is wait until Wix resolves it, because the issue is not on your end. If everything looks operational on the status page, move on to the next fix, which is logging out and logging back into your Wix account. Sometimes your session can expire or become corrupted, which can trigger error code 10000. Log out completely from Wix, close your browser, reopen it, and then log back in. After signing back in, go to your dashboard and check if the error is resolved. If logging out didn't help, the next thing to try is using Incognito mode or a different browser altogether. Browser extensions, cache data, or cookies can interfere with Wix's dashboard loading properly. Open an Incognito or private window, log into your Wix account there, and see if the error still appears. Alternatively, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If the error disappears, you'll know the issue was browser-related. Another effective fix is republishing your site. Go into your Wix IR, click Publish, and let the site republish completely. Republishing refreshes your site configuration and can fix back-end sync issues that trigger dashboard errors like error code 10000. After publishing, return to your dashboard and check again. At this point, Wix Error Code 10000 should be resolved for most users. If you've tried all these steps and the error still persists, the issue may require Wix support, but in the majority of cases, one of these fixes works quickly. And that's it. You now know how to fix Wix Error Code 10000 step by step. If this video saved you time or frustration, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.